Fourth grade friends, we're going to jump into another math lesson for this week, although this math lesson is going to be a little bit different. Um, this is going to be for us talking about Tessa's tickets. Specifically, we're looking at question number 3. As usual, though, before we jump into it, let's take a look at our norms. You know these by now, and I really want to point out our third norm about keep trying even when it's hard. The problem that we're going to look at today is a very exploration-based problem. I'm not going to show you like one strategy that you can use to solve this problem and all problems like this. This problem is really designed for you to do some manipulation with math and figuring out a solution that works for you. So we're looking at question number 3 on page 251. This is Tessa's tickets. And question number 3, it's a challenge question, and it says, Tessa's teacher spent $44 on tickets. He bought some tickets for children and some for adults. How many children's tickets and how many adult tickets did Tessa's teacher buy? And from earlier in this worksheet, we know that adult tickets cost $7 and children's tickets cost $4. So really what this problem is asking you to do is explore combinations of multiples of 7 and multiples of 4, and which combination of those, when you add them together, get you a sum of 44. Now I'm not going to show you the exact strategy that I did when I was solving this, but I do want to show you this. And this is probably going to help you out. One thing that I did is I listed out a bunch of my multiples. I listed out multiples of 7, representing my adult tickets, and I listed out multiples of 4. And from there, what I did is I just began adding these different multiples together and seeing if I could find a sum of multiples of 7 and multiples of 4 that would add together to create 44. So that's your job with this, and you guys are going to solve this problem different ways. There are some of you who will solve it by trying to just do some guess and check methods. There's those of you who are going to think about looking at adding like a multiple of 28, or the multiple 28 with another one of these numbers, and thinking about what that's going to get you as your sum before you add any of these numbers together. And it's really just an open exploration problem. And the big thing that I want you to focus on is showing how you got your answer. And I would love to see in your work this week you explaining, using some writing, about how you solved this problem. Don't just show me the equations that you used, but give me a little write-up about, this is the strategy that I did. I tried this, that didn't work. Then I tried this, and maybe that worked, maybe it didn't. And trying to kind of approach this as both a math problem and a writing prompt so that you can share your thinking. This is one of those problems that if we were together in a classroom, we would spend time talking about and have different people come up and share their strategies and share their thinking. And even though we're not here together right now, we can still use this as an opportunity to learn from each other by sharing our different ideas and exploring different ways to approach a problem. All right, fourth graders, it was a really quick lesson on this one today. And we'll see you next week for our last round of math lessons.